Why do businesses use soft pull solutions? This video is intended to give you a clear look at what sets soft pull solutions apart from other standard credit report providers. Our platform offers everything from soft and hard pulls to business credit reports, liens and judgments, UCC searches, income and bank verification, background checks, eviction history, employment information, and comprehensive identity and fraud solutions. We'll begin by exploring our soft pull capabilities. There are several significant benefits you and your customers will appreciate. Soft pulls do not impact consumer credit in any way. You see the same credit data a bank or lender sees when they run a hard pull. Soft pulls are more affordable than hard pulls. A social security number isn't required, just a name and address. You receive a full credit report and FICO score from all three bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You can get the consumer's consent over the phone. Soft pulls do not initiate trigger leads. Recent inquiries do not show on the consumer's credit profile. Getting set up with a soft pull account and the compliance requirements are much easier. Powerful soft pull technology is why construction companies, dealerships, mortgage firms, private lenders, brokers, and financing companies trust soft pull solutions.